Have you ever wondered how date syrup is made? Worry no more, because on this video I'm gonna show you step by step on how you can make your own date syrup. And this date syrup, you can use it for your toppings, you can use it for anything you want to do with it. It's just like the way it is like honey, that is the way it is here as well. So I have to deseed them. When you buy your date, you have to remove the seed. Please make sure you remove the seed. And then after removing the seed, after deseeding it, you have to wash it very well, rinse it very well, then add another water, soak it for like 4 to 6 hours for it to be very soft before blending. And when you're blending, mind you, do not add excessive water. Just add water that you know that can blend it into a thick form, preferably, because when you add too much water in blending it, it takes time to cook. It takes time to cook. So, and maybe in another video I will still show you how you can use the seed of the date to make coffee. Just fry it, grind it, and you have your coffee. Your natural coffee. So this is me here blending it. After blending, you're gonna sieve it. So after sieving it, the juice that you got from sieving it out, you will now put it on fire, allow it to boil. When it's boiling, you can think, oh, when would the syrup come out? I was feeling that way when I was making it, but at the end of it, just be patient and you will get your desired syrup. So I'm going to pour it into my pot. This is the way it's looking. You'll be wondering, are you sure I'm going to get syrup like this? Yes. And you can imagine I was using a small pot because it's small dates. So this is it boiling. This is like just the first stage of boiling. Allow it to still boil. Just take your time, allow it to boil on a medium heat, please, on a medium heat. Then this is the second part. Are you seeing the water is gradually coming down and is a little bit forming? This is the third stage. Can you see? Our date syrup is gradually coming out. But we're not there yet. And the final stage. Oh my goodness. Can you see? It has really thickened. By this, it is okay, because the more you cook it, the more it gets thick. So this is what I got from my 2 cups of dates. Then here I'm transferring it into an airtight container. You can use a glass jar, you can use plastic, and you can also add lime. I thought I was recording when I was adding the lime to it, but I didn't. So you can add lime to it. If you don't want, you can still just leave it this way. So our date syrup is made. So you can use it for your cake toppings, you can use it for bread, anything, spread, and so on. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like. Bye.